Traders, I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, here to talk to you about the grain markets this morning. It's Friday morning. We'll start with the corn market. Okay, corn, why did we rally this spring? One of the factors was dryness in Brazil. And keep in mind, Brazil's a big corn producer. Japan buys a lot of their corn from Brazil. So now Brazil's corn production is down a little bit, and so perhaps Japan will buy more U.S. corn from us. And number two, a really touted dry summer this season in North America. Well, it appears to be raining everywhere, and even some of the dry areas getting very good rain in here. So rain makes grain, and certainly look for lows in corn maybe September 1st here, but perhaps they'll be put in early. The U.S. farmer can sell the corn that he has stored and perhaps store the corn here 2016 that they're going to harvest, and then have it stored, wait for higher prices in the fall and the winter. As traders, we can take advantage of this as well. Call me. We can talk about strategies about this in the corn market. Okay, so the soybean market, we're up today, but certainly this is the most volatile time here, these early July and the last 5 trading days in soybeans. We have ranges of 70 cents, 20 cents, 40 cents, 65 cents, and 50 cents. So this volatility probably going to continue. The CME did raise margins on soybeans, so many times when the exchanges raise margins, this sets the tone that the highs are in. So we'll see about that. The 100-day moving average on November beans, and this is important, is 999.5. So $10 is a psychological level, and markets like these even number levels. So this is important, and right now November beans are 10.50, and the gap on the upside is 11.20. Here's the 100-day moving average at $10. Where's the market going to go? I wish I knew. I wouldn't be talking to anybody, but stay tuned. We're going to talk more and more about this. Okay, I was reading a story this week about tofu producers here in Illinois, and my wife loves tofu. It's the protein, it's delicious, and it's good. This is what the consumer wants, is the plant-based protein, and this is not going to go away in our lifetime. The U.S. consumer wants the soy-based protein. The China consumer, becoming more like the U.S. consumer, wants soy in its diet, and this is not going to change. So hence the demand for soybean. We need more acres in soybean. This crop report on June 30th told us this. So we're buying acres in South America, and the function of this soybean market is to trade to higher prices and buy acres here in North America. So we've got to keep this going. Most important maybe is the managed fund liquidation in a panic fund type liquidation. That could be more important in the soybean than the weather here going forward. So if it continues to be moderate temperatures and normal rain, perhaps we see this panic liquidation, and then we'll keep talking about that. Everybody have an excellent weekend. Thank you.